Welcome once more to the Sunny Slim Effect, and of course, you know the Sunny Slim Effect YouTube channel is your one-stop place to get online tutorial on how to make money and how to do things by yourself. And today we are going to talk about a website which you can use to make money from home and get paid to your PayPal or your bank accounts. Of course, you know that there are certain websites which you can use to make money online while you are at home. These are very simple websites you can use to make money. You don't have to sit down online and do nothing. Just follow the step I give in this my screen tutorial and see this site, which is an online advertising platform which have facilities for advertisers to advertise their product or website, as well as have features for publishers, which you are going to be a publisher, so that you'll be able to make money to this website by just clicking simple ads, and you make money. You can make as long as $5 a day, depending on your ads, your membership upgrade. So follow these rules I'm going to give. Now make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the red button, like and comment, and make sure you type "I want to make money" in the comment section below. So let's head down to our screen right now and let's go and make money. Yes, we are back to our screen now, and let me show you the website you are going to use to make money. It's a very simple website. It is called Starclicks. The name of the website is www.star-clicks.com. You make sure you visit this site. On the home page of the website, it has the publisher side, how to make money. Let's click how to make money. You read how to make money. It has they have the payout method. They have, okay, let's start with the publisher side. Publisher is where you will be able to sign in and do these tasks for you to make money at home. It is very simple. Watch how this works. You see, welcome to Starclicks. Get it done. Watch the explanatory video to see how you can make money and sign up to join the big community. With Starclicks, you can get opportunity to earn money easily. It's just a piece of cake. Join millions today. Look at they said how to convert your time to profit with Starclicks. You can convert your time to profit. All it just takes is just to sign up for an account, and it's all free to sign up. Join now and experience online earning for real. To join is very simple. Step one, you sign up for a publisher account, which you got to sign up and use. Step two, they will send you a verification and activation email in your and the verification code to your phone number. Step three, you click the ad. You get paid instantly for every advertising link you click, provided by their advertiser. And step four, you do withdraw your money to your bank account, your PayPal account, or your Bitcoin wallet. Anywhere you want to withdraw your money to, you get it. So these are some account features. You make 0.01 minimum per click, $0.01 minimum per click. This is the minimum amount you earn when you click an ad. You make 0.01. You may get paid more than 0.01 ad. That's what they're trying to tell you. There is also the payment withdrawal method. They can pay to PayPal and bank transfer and cryptocurrency Bitcoin wallet as well as Western Union. You can do it every day. Ads are provided daily in your account, so make sure you come back every day to click. That's one secret about Starclicks. Make sure you visit it every day to click your ad so that you can make money every day. And there's one important part of it. They have three type of membership, which is the silver membership, the gold membership, and the platinum membership. So this membership, new members are automatically given silver membership when you sign up. You are automatically entitled to be a silver member when you sign up. And when you upgrade to gold, which is the most popular membership, you earn more ads click. Silver membership, you will be given few ads to click. That's one secret. But when you upgrade to gold and platinum, oh boy, you make a lot of money with it, because you'll be giving more and more ads to click per day. Your hand will get swollen, man, and you make money being happy. So they have the desktop and mobile mode. You can use it on desktop, you can use it on your mobile app at the same time. You can also have referral and bring your friends and family and earn small commission from the referral. But more important is the click ad. That's where you make money. So let's sign up now. You can see how many ways to transfer money: PayPal, bank transfer, and all of that currency. Okay, you can see to sign up now, you have to just go to sign up. I'm already a member, so I don't need to sign up again. All you got to do is click the publisher account. Please be a publisher. Yeah, don't be an advertiser, because you're here to make money by clicking ad. If you want to be an advertiser, that means you want to pay them to advertise your website or your services for them for to click Starclicks. It's an advertising company. So all you got to do is make money daily. That's what this video is all about today. So all you got to do is sign up for a publisher account. Look, this is where I click. Just click publisher sign up. It will take you to where you put your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your home postal address, your city, your country where you live, Nigeria, your zip code, your phone number starting with +234. You see it there, and your mobile number. You see the same thing, phone number. So what you got to do is just put your name, and your date of birth. Just put it. Your home address. Just put it. This is how you go to just fill it. It's very easy. Nigeria, where do you live? Nigeria, zip code 25341, your phone number. Just put it. Then you enter your email address. You confirm your email address. Then you choose a password, a strong password. Just choose it. Once you choose it, then you put a security question and answer. Then how do you find us? You can just put anything. Referral ID. If you have a referral ID, if you come to a referral ID, you can just put the referral ID there. I'm going to leave my referral ID below, which you are going to use. I'm going to leave it below the description side in this YouTube video, which you are going to use when signing up. Please use it. I'm going to leave my referral link, which will include my referral ID. So please use it. Then you put the captcha code. You put it. Then you click the command. Then you register. Just to click register, you are equally just fill it well. You're already a member. Then so let me log into my account. Let me show you some things. I'm already a member, so let me log in my account. Since I'm a member, I don't need to sign up another account again. I don't want double account. So it's now taking me to the home page. As you can see, I've made $2.97 for just joining 2 days. If you are a new member, you are going to be given a silver member. This place that is being shown as gold member will be silver member. I have described it somewhere there. You can see it in the screen. It should be silver member. I screenshot it there. That's how your member is going. Your account is going to look like. You will not be giving much ads. That's the only thing. You'll be giving ad and you're making 0.01 per day. So it's nothing. So all you got to do is just go and upgrade. Click the upgrade center, upgrade your account so that you become a good member. Pay $19 for the good member because there's a special promotion going on right now. $19 right now. So if you pay it, you'll be able to upgrade your account. So let's click on many other things. Let's see account overview. Okay, this is my account overview. Today's work I made $0.72 and I did it online. I've clicked my ad for the day. I'm going to give you another ad. I'm going to show you another ad how to click on again. Okay, let's see mobile verification, verify pay-per-click ads, balance transfer. You can see these how to transfer your payment request, your payout history, your auto payment. So there are so many things. These are your referral, where you have referral link if you want to bring family and friend. Okay, these are so many things. So this is how it is. So I've made $2.97 and the minimum payout is $50 to your PayPal, to your bank account, and to your Bitcoin wallet. So let's go to our payment area. Let's go to our payment area. Let's see. Request payout. Let's see. You can see you can request payout to PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Western Union, and the minimum is $50. Right now I have $2.97. Okay, yeah, okay. This is how we perform your daily tasks. When you log into your dashboard, you're gonna see PPC ads available. Great news, new ads are available. This is, and click them and get paid. That is what you see. You see it right here. So all you got to do is just pay per click ad. When you log in daily, this is where you notice your ads. Okay, let me log in back again. Stay too much long. Okay, this is it. Great news, new ads are available. Click them and get paid. So let's start clicking our ads for today. Today's work, I have $1 to redeem. Okay, let's see our account overview again. Let's see. They say today's work, I have $1.02. That's I have to make my $1.02. This is my account balance $2.97. So let's start again. Let's All you got to do, you see once you get to this point, you see a list of ads. These are companies that have placed ads there. All you have to do is just to click. The reason why I have a lot of ad to click is because I am a gold member. If you are a silver member, you have few ads to click. So all you do is just to click. That's all. Just click and it will open in another tab. That's all. And you wait till it loads. The website you click, wait till it loads completely before you cancel, and you click the next one. The same thing, you keep repeating these same processes. Keep doing it. You wait till it loads, you cancel, then you click again, you wait till it loads, you cancel. At the same time, you keep doing it. It's as simple as ABC. That's the only work you do. That's just what you will be doing. Just do it this way. You wait till it loads, it cancel, till you finish your task, till you finish the whole ad that has given to you for the day, and your money starts increasing. You can see I've clicked, my money is now up to, it has sum up to $3 from the $2.97 I was having before. If I keep clicking, it will keep loading and bringing me more ads, and I keep earning more revenue. So Starclicks is a very good platform for you to start earning money. And whenever I get to $50, I'm going to still make a video on the cash out process, because I've witnessed so many people cash out. I've witnessed so many people. You can see I'm still clicking my ads and I'm still making money. This is what you do every day. You will click, you wait for the website to load, you cancel. That is all what you will do. And they have a fantastic support team. In case you're having any issue, you can click their support and email them your problem. You can tell them the query, what the query is about, as short as possible, and they will respond to you. And they also have the HTML code part for those that have website owner. You can HTML code, you can fix it on your web page or website and still earn more. This is the HTML code you can put to your website and see more. You can say I've put the HTML code on my website and I'm having some impression. I hope it will still give me money. So it's a very fantastic platform. You can also invite friends as well using the referral link here as well. So make sure, if you find any value in this my video, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment on that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on the bell notification for more updates on newer video, and make sure you also use my referral link to sign up, which I'm going to leave in the description below in this video. Make sure you look at where I'm going to leave my referral link below for you to use to sign up, and my referral ID, so you are on your way to journey to make money if you bank on Starclicks daily and do these tasks, and you everly make money and cash out in dollars big time. So thank you once more for being part of this on the Sleep Effect today. Just make this money and let me know, and make sure you comment on that. I will make money. Comment it on that in this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.